Alright, what we're doing today, we're replacing a starter on a Lexus ES300, Lexus ES300 starter replacement. Okay, we just took the panel off there, panel off the front, took it off, took the battery off, took the thing that was up here, for your vacuum and stuff, filter, took that off. Now we're about to take this piece off so we can get to the starter. Okay, now we're about to take this off. We're using a 10mm to take those bolts off. That is the vacuum thing for the filter and stuff. Okay, you just took this piece off. That's the vacuum thing. Yes, this attached it, took it off. Now we gotta take this one off. This attach over there. This gotta come off. You got it loose, disconnected the wires and everything. Vacuum hose is out. Got it out. Alright. Thing is out now. Now we gotta get this one out. Alright, that piece right there gotta come off. And where's the starter? I think that's the starter right there. Alright, get this off. Get that thing loose. And get those hoses off so we can get to the starter. As you can see, we got that bracket off so we can get this hose off. Alright. Now we're getting somewhere. There you go, the starter right there. Okay. Also, we gotta get the power button, power connector, whatever it's called, and get this out. Okay. Yeah, save you some money. You know what I'm saying? I just ordered a part, about to go pick it up, put it back in, and that's it. Need a 12mm for this one. Alright. Disconnect that. There goes your starter. You gotta take a 14mm. Take this bolt, that bolt right there. That bolt off. That's another one. Right over there. Right there. Gotta take that one off. And take that one off. And the starter will be out. Okay. There it is. Get the starter out. There goes your starter. Okay. Now we gotta go get the new one. Okay. There we go. There go the starter. Brand new starter. We going the same way that we came in. Alright. Alright. Started right back in there. We went back in the same way we came out. Okay. Put the new starter back in. Put the thing back in. The thing go back in there. Okay. Put that cover back. Alright. Now, you gotta put this duck back in. Put the duck back in. Sits right there. And this thing right there go right underneath the duck. Put the bracket back in. The bracket, the duck. Okay. Bracket and the duck back in. Now let's go ahead and put this piece back on. Right there. We already got this thing back on. The filter. Got everything back together. Starter fix.